Bryan, what would be your best advice for those who planned on going outdoors this weekend for Juneteenth events or for Father's Day?
Yeah, have backup plans. Just kind of know where, if there is a pop-up rain shower or something moves in quickly, just know where there's a spot to get under cover quickly, because a lot of these rain showers and storms are going to have some thunder and lightning with them, so you are going to want to be in a safe spot. Also, some of these showers and storms could have some gusty winds with them, so make sure everything is secured for today. There's going to be some dry time, and there's going to be some opportunity to enjoy the outdoors, but you have to take those precautions because of the scattered and hit and miss nature of these showers and storms and how quickly they can move on through. And we saw that with downtown Pittsburgh earlier. A live look at downtown Pittsburgh now, where it has brightened up quite a bit after the area of rain and storms that we're seeing off to the east moved through. This was one tighter cluster earlier. Now it's kind of spread out a little bit more as it's moved to the east and really starting to taper off. We're not seeing nearly as much lightning with it as we did earlier on, and not as heavy of rain as we did earlier on. Then we're going to get a break for several hours, it looks like, through the rest of this morning until later on this afternoon, where we're going to see a few more showers and storms popping up. Warm front to our northeast, and then a cold front to the west. And as long as these fronts are around, we're going to continue to see these hit or miss showers and storms popping up in the afternoons, and that includes tomorrow as well, before the cold front actually does push through on Monday, where then we're going to see widespread showers and storms. Temperatures starting off this morning pretty mild, most spots in the mid to upper 60s and a few spots still in the low 70s. There is going to be the chance for some of these showers and storms to be severe with some hail and gusty winds, so that's why I'm saying take precautions. Once that front passes on Monday, it gets much cooler for a day. We are going to be well below average. It does get a little bit better on Wednesday and then does eventually get back into the 80s for Thursday and Friday. So we see that area of rain and storms move through. It does look like there's going to be several hours of dry time until we start to see more showers and storms popping up in the afternoons. But like I said, the hit or miss nature of this allows for some dry time even while there's storms in the area. In the viewing area, there's likely going to be a few storms popping up at any given time, but that doesn't mean everybody's going to see them throughout the course of the day. There could be some spots that stay dry all day long. Into tomorrow morning, we start off pretty dry, and tomorrow is going to be a lot drier in the afternoon than what it looks like for today. So not as much rain and storm activity in the afternoons. You see there's only 2 or 3 showing up here on our futurecast as opposed to a couple, upwards of a dozen that showed up on this afternoon. So some drier time for tomorrow, which is good news for Father's Day. Temperatures are going to be warmer as well in the mid to low 80s. And then eventually a cold front's going to move through on Monday. Upper 70s for today, on and off rain and storms. We'll still have a few scattered showers left over for tonight, but it does look like it dries up by morning. And then a few showers and storms for tomorrow with temperatures in the mid-80s. Upper 80s for Monday. It does look like it's going to be wet with that cold front. Morning rain showers on Tuesday, much, much cooler. Mid-70s on Wednesdays, we start to warm up. Mid to low 80s for Thursday and Friday. Our rain chances return for next Friday as well.